Guys, it is me, CGVRP, back on your screen bringing you a brand new video here in Greenville, Wisconsin. If you guys are new here, make sure to smash the subscribe button down below to join me and CGVRP and Liam today. So today, me and my son are going to be going down to Horton, Wisconsin, just for a little drive. So let's go ahead, head out right now. Oh my goodness, let's go, son. I am super excited for this drive. So yeah. Waiting for my son. Come on, son, let's go. We don't have all day. Oh my goodness, he's taking so long. I can't believe him. Alright, well, let's get going. Oh my goodness, I can't believe today's gonna be a great day. And finally, we get to have a great day for once, and we get to take the truck out. Oh my goodness. Well, I won't be taking the truck out that much long because it's going to be snowy in winter, and this truck has a V8 in it. So, yep, I'm going to start using my sedan more in the snow. I have all-season tires in them, actually, but you know what? I might have to trade my sedan for an SUV before winter comes because, you know me, I can't have a sedan in the snowy weather, so... yeah, here we go down the road right now. I am not going so fast right now because the speed limit is 55 in Greenville, even though I'm going to 56, but that's not bad. But, you know, hopefully there's no red lights today. Oh my gosh, oh yes, green light, let's go. We're having great luck here today in Greenville, Wisconsin already. Wow, just can't believe we're already having good luck. Oh my word. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. I can't believe that Horton is probably going to get remodeled, but also might get into town, I don't know. But, gosh. Okay, guys, anyway. Yep. Just gonna drive around Horton today to get fuel in our truck. This is crazy. Concord is closed today, I guess. I think all the stores are closed for today for some reason. Work just started back up today. I just don't believe it. Is so big, I can't believe it. Nope. It's a sound that sounds like a hear a nice car rolling down the road or something. I don't know. Gosh, so laggy in Greenville today. Oh god, this truck is so big. I am not used to driving this big old truck, you guys. Sorry about that. Oh my word. Yep. Excuse me. Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh. Son, are you okay? Oh my god, my truck is destroyed! Oh my goodness. Are you serious? Oh my word. I can't believe this guy. Oh my goodness. Sir, you are driving like a maniac. Okay? You hit my car. I got dash cam footage. Sir, you came crashing into my vehicle. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay? Shows evidence. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh! My son is injured! My son is injured! Sir, my son is injured! Oh my gosh! Hey, what did you do? Sir, get back here! Oh my gosh. Sir! Sir! Get out of the car! Can't even get in his Lamborghini, great. Sir! Oh my god. His Lamborghini's not starting up. Ha ha. Oh, hey, sir! Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Sir, what do you think you're doing, okay? Do not go near my truck. Oh my goodness, what's he gonna do? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my son's laying on the tire! Oh my goodness, son! Son, oh my gosh, are you okay? No. Sir, don't act innocent. You hit my son in the face. Okay? You hit my son in the face. You hit my son. You hit my son in the face. I'm calling the cops. That's an assault. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Well, luckily he helped my son. But still, he is not getting away with this. Oh my goodness. My poor son. My poor son. Sir, you're in big trouble. Oh my goodness. Do not follow him, son. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. What? Thank you, sir. One last chance. And this happens again, you will be sent to jail for assault to my son. You hear me? I'll forgive you. Oh my gosh, why is he just standing by my truck like that? I feel like he's actually not sorry, but let's see what he says. Okay, he says okay. Alright. Come on, son, let's get in the truck, okay? Oh my goodness, I can't believe this guy literally injured my son. Oh my gosh, come on, son. Come on, son. Oh my goodness. Fix my car right now. Hey, what are you doing? That's my truck! Hey! Sir, that's my truck! Oh my goodness, he's taking my truck! Oh my gosh! Oh my god, he's taking my vehicle! Oh my word, oh my word. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Unlocks Lamco. Sir! Are you crazy? Get out of my truck! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Haha, sir! I'm taking your Lamborghini! Oh my gosh. We're gonna run. Oh my gosh, I need to run! I need to run! We need to keep driving. Oh my gosh, this guy's crazy, but my son's in there! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Lamborghini, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Come on. Come on, Lamborghini, come on, come on, come on. Oh my word, oh my word. I can't believe it right now. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Time to end video. And I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Don't forget to join me and CGVRP and Liam did this today. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. See y'all.